Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this lovely 2025 74 plate Kawasaki Z650. It's a beautiful bike as this one. It's only done 146 miles from new, and as you can tell, it is lovely. It's had a bit of money spent on it already, so it's got the radiator guard on there, it has got a tail tidy, and the bike has been slightly lowered as well, but if you do want it putting back up to standard height, we can do, that's not an issue. So newer model, in the newer colours, it looks fantastic in the black and the red. I love the red frame and the red wheels, I think it looks ace. You get a full colour TFT display, you get ABS, and you do get adjustable traction control now. Gear indicator, fuel gauge, and you can ride these on an A2 licence as well with a restrictor kit. We've got radiator guard, tail tidy, it's been lowered, we can bring it back up to standard height if you want, and it's a 2025 on a 74 plate. With only 146 miles on the clock. Anyway, if you want to get it bought, be quick. Stuff like this do sell fast. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, so just give us a call. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.